Okay, in this video I'm going to solve this problem here, which is an example problem in set theory where we're talking about ordering of sets. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and solve this problem here where we're talking about Lex order. We're talking about, it's all just Lex order. And I've got two sets, A and B. Set A has the elements A, B, C, D in it, and the set B has X, Y. And I want to look at the elements of A cross B in Lex order. You know what? When I make cross products, I naturally write them out in Lex order. So I'm going to say that A cross B is equal to the set AX. And I'm going to stick with the A's first. That's Lex order. AY. Then I'm going to move on to the B's. So I'm going to fix the first one. Bx, by, cx, cy, and finally dx and dy. Okay, so if I fix the first element and then cycle through the elements of the second set, that's going to give me Lex order. Okay, and so I can not only write out the cross product A cross B, but I can also say Lex order as shown. I can also say AX, AY, BX, BY, CX, CY, DX, DY, like that. Just put a little arrow here and say that's Lex order. Okay? Next I'm going to look at B cross A. Now the X's and the Y's come first. And B cross A, I'm going to go ahead and write it out as a set, and I'm going to point to it and say its Lex order is shown. And I'm going to leave the X fixed and go XA, XB, XC, XD, YA, YB, YC, and YD. Okay? And this is Lex order as shown. Okay, and we're using, just to point out, we're using the shorthand notation where we write x, y instead of the ordered pair x, comma, y. And we're also assuming that the sets A and B each have an alphabetic order imposed on them. Okay, so this is the alphabetic order A, B, C, D, and X, Y. Okay, okay, so part C, A cross A. Oh no, A is the big one of the two. A cross A is going to have 4 times 4 or 16 elements in it. And I'm going to write them out in Lex order as a set A. And so both elements in the ordered pair are drawn from set A. So I have things like AA, AB, AC, AD, BA, BB, BC, BD, CA, CB, CC, and CD. Finally, DA, DB. You see the pattern, I hope. DC and DD. Ordered Lex as shown. Okay? Hope that helps. As shown from left to right, first. Okay, you have to go this way first and then down to the next row. From left to right first and then down to the second row. And I think I kind of indicated that by writing out the set with these commas like that. But I better go ahead and just say left to right is the first thing we do. Okay, so this is a problem on set ordering, Lex order, and I hope it helps.